Alright, got a package from Target today. This is actually the first G.I. Joe classified Target exclusive I was able to actually secure the pre-order for and get on release day. So let's get into this. Gabriel Kelly, codename Barbecue. So it's this is Target exclusive. Obviously, it's the Cobra Island. So it's just kind of nice to see that Target has kind of gotten it together with their pre-orders. I still wasn't able to actually get Breaker, so that's unfortunate. But all of those new ones, the Python Patrol and the Tiger Force, I was able to secure those pre-orders as well. So, box art, awesome as usual. Cobra Island stuff on the back. Number 32. Looks awesome. Let's get into this. And here he is out of the packaging. He looks fantastic. He's also a very kind of unique look for the Joe team because he's a firefighter. He's not the standard military look. So, very cool. For accessories, he comes with an axe, a hatchet, a tank for backpack, and a hose, and his water gun, and the hose connects the water gun to the backpack. His hatchet clips right in here on his thigh holster here, and his gun goes into the holster on the other side. His axe will clip in here on the backpack, and then also the hose clips here on the backpack. Of course, the backpack goes in the peg on the back, and then take his gun out here. The gun will connect as well to the hose. So we'll go ahead and put that in his hand. And his back fell off. So yeah, all his accessories can of course fit on this person, which is great. Alright, let's take a look at the articulation now, starting with the head. Of course, goes all the way around. Got some pretty decent side to side there actually. Forward further than I thought, honestly, with that collar. And then back is not terrible either. You can see it. This thing gets in the way a bit, but I honestly thought it was going to get more in the way than it does. But yeah. Okay, and of course his arm goes all the way around. Can come up really far. There's also a butterfly joint in there. There's a swivel bicep. A double jointed elbow. It's about 90. And the wrist goes around. And a little bit of side to side. Of course, with the torso, there is an ab crunch underneath this, but you can't use it because of the vest, as seems common practice with the Joes at this point. But there is a lot more motion at the hip because of that. Right. It does have that drop down hip as well. Leg goes out that far, basically all the way up that far. There's a swivel that's hidden by the sheath here at the thigh. a double jointed knee. It goes back most of the way. And then there's another swivel at the boot, very well hidden once again. And your normal pin and rocker at the foot. So yeah, once again, the articulation here with the G.I. Joes is just fantastic. There's usually like a couple minor parts where they're hindered, but overall they're just great with the articulation. Overall, I think this is a great figure. I love it. I was glad I was able to get it. When I first heard it was Target exclusive, didn't think I was going to, but like I said at the beginning, they seem to be getting it together a decent bit here, so I still wish I could have gotten Breaker, but we'll see. Maybe they'll restock them at some point. What do you guys think of Barbecue? Let me know in the comments down below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Auf Wiedersehen.